First, new this morning, skies finally clear after all of our recent rain. 2 News Oklahoma's Kathy Tatum shares why it's worth considering how to prepare your home and wallet if more torrential rain comes our way.
This, for some reason, it just came quick. We weren't even ready for this.
You know, flooding can happen anywhere, particularly outside of federally designated flood zones.
Fast rising high water like this in Skiatook April 30th surprised even longtime residents who anticipate periodic big rains bringing high water. A Bankrate survey finds only about 1 in 10 homeowners buy flood insurance.
Flood insurance is not included in really all standard home insurance policies. It's a separate policy that you have to buy.
You get it from FEMA, and recently, FEMA made it more affordable, depending on your home's flood risk rating.
FEMA recently changed to a risk rating system that a quarter of the people who have flood insurance saw their rates go down because they're not at high risk.
And
so if you're not in a flood zone, it's going to be cheaper. You know, you may end up paying half of what somebody who is in a flood zone would pay.
Kathleen Howley cautions federal flood maps may not accurately reflect your flood risk, so you should take some other precautions that help protect your home during minor flooding events. Things like keeping your gutters and French drains and even the downspouts clear to help divert water away from your home instead of ponding around it. And when you need to replace your furnace, check to see if it can be raised up off the ground to prevent costly damage from even a small flooding event. And to know how much a policy for your home would cost, reach out to floodsmart.gov for a quote. I'll put a link to that with this story on our 2 News app. In Tulsa, I'm Kathy Tatum, 2 News Oklahoma.